I made this bhindi today. Now I'm going to taste it. I'm putting it in this roti and making a little roll. I'm a little tired of non-veg. It's a Bengali style bhindi. I learned it from a channel called Shampa's Kitchen during the lockdown and I love it. I have an obsession for bhindi. Keep watching. Recipe and video. Heat your pan. Add a little mustard oil. Take 250 to 300 grams of bhindi and fry it. Add a pinch of salt and a pinch of turmeric. Fry this on a medium flame. I'm making this in mustard oil because it's kind of a Bengali bhindi recipe and basically we call it dhairosh. Now cover and cook this for 2 to 3 minutes on a medium flame. 2 minutes are over. Just fry it a little bit on high flame. Now keep this aside. Now in the same oil, add a teaspoon of nigella seeds. That's what we call kalo jeera. By the way, I love my new masala dabba. I'll link it. After you add the nigella seeds, which is kalonji or kalo jeera, just cook it for a few seconds. Add 1 chopped onion. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. Again cook it for a few seconds till the raw smell goes away. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, but you can use normal red chili powder based on how spicy you want it. 4 chopped green chilies, salt to taste, and add a little water and cook it. When the oil separates, add 2 chopped tomatoes. Add a pinch of sugar to balance the salt. Add half teaspoon of garam masala powder. I just love this bhindi. Do give it a try. It's very Bengali and it's delicious. Once the oil separates, add your fried bhindi and give it a mix for about 2 minutes on high flame. Now add half cup of water and mix it well. When the water comes to a boil, cover and cook on medium flame for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes are over. Now just cook this for a while. It's almost done. Keep as much gravy as you want. I like it a little more dry. After that, the bhindi will be ready. I'll switch off the stove and cover it. My Bengali style bhindi is ready. What is your dinner tonight?